Iron, lead, copper, tin, aluminium. You can see them everywhere, but often metals are much harder to spot. They're in disguise as compounds.
All iron on Earth starts off like this and often ends up like this. Neither this rock nor this rust look like metals at all, but they both contain iron combined with oxygen to make the compound iron oxide.
But a few metals can be found in a pure state naturally on Earth, including the most precious metal in the world. And Femi's out to get some.
The Welsh gold in these hills near Dolgellau was first discovered over 150 years ago. The Victorian miners tunnelled into the hills in the hope of great riches.
Years ago, you guys must have had the longest tea break in history.
Excuse me. Hello, Femi. I'm Roland. I'm in charge of the mine today.
So you're still finding gold here today?
Yes, that's right. Though we have to go deeper to find the gold. The Victorians worked all these upper levels.
Let's go.
Today, tourists can visit this part of the mine, but Roland is taking me deeper underground.
Gentlemen first.
As the years pass, the miners have to tunnel deeper and deeper to find new veins of rock containing gold.
This white vein is where the gold is found.
Oh, yes, I think I can see it. Little specks of gold just sparkling.
No, sorry, Femi. That's a mineral called pyrite, commonly called fool's gold. Although there is gold in this rock, it's mixed with other minerals such as quartz or lead.
So how can it be pure gold if it's mixed with all those things?
Although it's a mixture, it's not chemically combined, and that means that it's easier to separate.
But first, it's down to me to collect some samples. None of them look very special, but Roland's expert eye can pick out the real gold from the fool's gold. The streaks in these samples are pure Welsh gold.
Perhaps we could take these to the mill.
Okay.
The next job is to separate the gold. First, the rock is crushed into fine particles and mixed with water. This shaking table completes the job. The motion separates the large light lumps of minerals from the small heavy particles of gold. Look at the stripes of minerals forming on the table, and the narrow sparkly band at the very edge. That's the gold. It's such a simple process and has changed little over the years because the gold is just mixed with the minerals. It's the moment to make my escape. I've got a funny feeling I'm being watched.
Not so fast, Femi. We've another stage yet to do. We have to take it to the smelter.
The final stage is to melt down my gold flake in the smelter.
Wow, pure gold. It's gorgeous. So how much is the gold we found today worth?
Well, we make it into very special jewellery, so there's probably a couple of £1,000 worth there.
I've only got about a fiver.
Well, that'll get you this very nice piece of Welsh gold ore.
Thanks, Roland.
Pure gold may be hard to find, but it's easy to separate once you've found it, because it's just mixed with other substances. Most metals found naturally on Earth are chemically combined with oxygen as compounds, and separating them is much harder.